ni nya atwumi ade ni nya atwumi
mo kunipa
se be kunipa ade mo nko so
at the expense of one faso kunipa
ade I mean free but let me tell people say enya bayirefo ni nyina and say nyame adom ye expose omu one a why sa no obejai e dey free okodo we bayira o you okay to we we plantain to you okay to we but I was expose the enye wom money na tomato company bi ye expose wom say tomatoes no muton no emwa wom tomatoes no muton no bebre wo issues
bebre a spy
why be yi free mu no call for that badges of you know I'm because me I've worked at the company we yeah tomatoes and all this so I know yeah we call it a product when it happens that way you call for that batch you know so code you know your system maybe I am manufacturing your programming we know the batches are you producing
yes
and when it happens that way you recall now no you say no because if you are cry Kwame a technical near maybe every crime from a cry the rad then we see
the money yes sir
every walk cry the pabonfo bi na di be frame it happens so we recall and destroy them ebu anya that harmful say be kunipa but wait there yeah twa adwesi so say wa we yes and jai I'm not defending that as well because I'm Sompa because nobody is above reproach or no any brofo it is said you also dis ehunu anke beka but nipa ye nyame so adwuma say what is this asa I call it a bluff me entrance na yenhwe wo dia nhwe ohun ye na mani pa bonifo bi mafrafra adwuma no etimo kura mo yes adwuma no mo na wo se mo mamani da wo se ada na system kwa ba yire die the plantain die wa na eburu wa adwen no nti ase so wo se mo sha ase investigation na mo exposing say wemu na yesi
na Kwame wudi
na bo dwuma ne ho ba
yesi ye the rubber no tum no omochi a ochi ebitumi asi ho be bosumi mi no anya hwe chese ompeso obeboka se na ya
beto ba ko traffic ba
ompeso obeboka
me say we di abato
ewo ukra wa hwe ya ebepirawo
so anya dia I sense ntwa adwuma yi akofo bebre di nsehunu wom kofo bebre di bi nyenyem kofo ma di bi di nsenkwase asem ebi wom we expose them
yes
Kwame ntwa adwuma yi onkofo bebre a onko minister ho omtimi ka minister say because minister
epekakra di shombetum
omko MP ho because MP pekakra mom there's difference between say MP achewade say eno ho but say waje na wo eno ntu nka MP say bi odi nsehunu a wonka na sem no eno de ye wo bi wo ye adwuma yi mu say twere adwuma yi mu and that we talk about them etu susu anyankofo mu sem adwuma ne aka no kra che wa so mpe enti ka ba me no beka no mfra nke ma ne nka nkosa
edi Kwame
experiment no so mu ye no so indeed
ye kire ye Kwame edi current update menya the free Ghana's parliament ne say minority for no nyina ashe black
that's expected
black but the reason behind it
is mudoma drama na
yes
drama that be omu usual drama na usual drama na Kwame it's expected enye die bi nsi dani usual drama na what you say drama na enye they don't be and also parliament no my parliament ya active my parliament ya de my follow for mu say mo ye adwuma enti end is expected na me adom kro no man boycott no ma she black omukotena onye yi kro no mo ye no dom kese no so enyam nwa so mbehye white enti white and black na because of parliament it is obvious why me DVL for as ma me fama no to DVL for as hwe Julius Nikwe Kote he was emphatic, he was specific. Munya ise hunu na ata obi ekoso o man mu empenfo nyam kra wo be share video na Kwame it's happening in Ashanti region Abra no mu be office ba ko Bantama in Ashanti region on the 25th of February and waka say mumu be some of you specifically DVL for no some of you ko for no muto at that time no mumu be yayi musam nko amanone na mo nko ye adwuma mayen ana obubo nkro num so san nkro num no ana omu kɔ so hwa me Julius ni kwei kote no ne charisma anyhow or person odi nyoma wura DVL adwuma nim no I love him for that. Kwame the deputy a lawyer.
Yeah.
Me mini papa lawyer. Boy adwuma wadiri.
Oh, he didn't ask him kakra.
Me mini pa lawyer.
Yes.
Ah, oh, deputy.
No, say na no kra kasa.
No, jina
lawyer jina ni nchen.
Oka ye no. Me won say on say lawyer no mra nti o hwe o ye yi kakra na me say. Julius Ade Asemaba. And what people started saying is a job for the boys. Kwame Nkwantabisa penyin sem da. Say DVL for fanko for akwa UK, US, ne other places say omkwako issue licenses. I was like, this is the joke of the century. They say baby address of mine. Et revenue I ever generating. Any scared bet you can acquire a cab. Will we get value for money? Is it even necessary? Say no Wahana US for has say issue licenses ama US citizens of Ghana. It's very fun. I am funny. Say US embassy they call for betna from license department say babe issue license ama US citizens of Ghana. Why from all this? Why are we polluting the system? Alright, your main or baby. It's Excellency John Dramani Mahama try to put things to order. But yet the sa good day in the sa yoma way bamwa. So immediately also could the black about and Temeka say, hey, we've not sanctioned anything for any institution. Can we move letters in and look at the letters I babonting from the foreign ministry, from DVL for Babakache say, oh, nyasa no mpesomka. It was video. It wasn't the write-up. He was emphatic. There is nothing wrong for Julius to come out and apologize. Say he goofed.
He said, "Omade krata de babontin say ombe review about that." And
it's not review.
Withdraw.
Kwame, they shouldn't deal with no. They shouldn't deal with semantics. He will read my lips. Kennedy Japan in his voice. Read my lips. He goofed. Julius got it wrong. He polluted the system. Okopas mashe okuja to ablakwa. And okuja to ablakwa wo vision. E drum obi anfa nyoma me foli no. With immediate effect on by say, and that's how you can ye. Oba be say na ambition. Na say DVL for say no press omni foreign ministry no so kan ya. They should come out because Julius also ambition. As a tanishu image. It could be so no kan but they didn't finalize it.
Oh yeah, Kwame, because or I'm looking for the exact data. Or the to call on area and no post to or ne a foreign affairs minister.
Kwame write up and
me show the or write up about sa and yam semia can foreign renewals for how could you to that and Kwame said now if you have anything to deny or rebut so you could have come and then
and that right up no okay say Ghana for be to why
Ghana for be to why okay say Ghana for foreigners no or maybe renew or more licenses or embassies.
I'm saying a specific thing. Me say what I'm dealing with currently. I say, say some of their workers, DVLA workers, these 5 countries. That is the issue on board. Obian denies say Okoho. Kwame, that one respectfully is not news. So DVLA boss are foreign ministry news. Are they not all working under one government?
No, news because they agreed. In
the letter, a womb. Right up now, soon and I mean, say a womb. So the Ghanaians be too quiet. And a person say, all right up in him.
Okay.
Is it in the right up?
That's a nice question.
So let's deal with the substantive issue. What I'm saying is, say Julius Abba Bontiabekase. Almost the DVL for you to coin issue licenses, which doesn't make sense to me. omo kwade akwa kope ba bi ombeda ya be gifia mom ye betu nkapadi am nya ade nya ba mom for what purpose say issue licenses for their benya. I don't get it. I don't know maybe be problem wo Kwame so na ba se okwo na wanko and they obi betima ba office no anu we twan a picture say me ne Kwame akosia na kira wo be na wasa ba bontina ba be ka say Kwame promise him so Sompa kra me na say me hwe console ni so me wan koma mu di dem fa ho but our picture to show so about office so it doesn't correspond, it doesn't relate. What Ghanaians are bored about they say also the Ghana for two coin aqua issue licenses and we are saying it doesn't make sense to us. So if Julius thinks say indeed Okujeto I agree he should be man enough and say insist say Okujeto you agreed because one the krata about Bontiabaka to say Masa why am now can ye nimu wuchi and fire mem. So it's a word against his. I don't know about Bontin say open him fire mem. Every say okwaka ye no kan asem no baby a. And the two things that I'm expecting from Julius, who's the chief executive officer of DVLA.
One, dear.
One, and say, Kwame Obeba Bontin, Ababe Pachow. Some men ye where I goofed. Two, one, no, I goofed because say it was the heat of the moment. Because I carry in the crowd. Or say catch you be say, hey, me also shaman, hey, any also so make you nam the waka. To my selection every to know be one or say any make nam. And to make say I goofed. And I say, or me can say, Okujeto bois, menene kai. These are two things that we expect from him. He should be man enough to tell us, say, Okujeto bois, or bois yanene kasai. And I say two, me Ghana for the ajubreo. And say, Wuna na me kika, and say, Wuno kika. Where the anyasa netie, Mumfanche me. The Mfaja back, oh, trakratasa base. Oh, Babe, review, Babe. What is wrong? What is wrong with us?
I see.
A very young man, Julius is young man. Energetic. School days, he was one of the good guys at our campus. Kwame, you cannot be doing this to an institution like DVLA. Or already, I can't check Ghana for the people to them say, Mohodi, a chronomic dream will hobby. Man for extorting money from people. And things like this, still denting the image of DVLA. And you can't sit in the comfort of your office and say, mobile review. What are you coming to review? At the end of 1 year review, at the end, foreign minister say, anyhow.
Kwame,
what kind of behavior is this?
Thank you very much.
And they say, "Yen cheni na modi on my neighbor na."
Kwame,
Obia sorry, I'm not taking decision.
Thank you very much.
No one that say, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Mbeka say, Obia any Julius Debra Mbeka say, Obia make any be a policy bia. Also, passing through cabinet. Because I the education ministry or Obi ko jina vote anu akwaki kan di ope, yan monkura, yenye say, yan basa. Thank
you very much. Young Fasidama to the first clinic, Homo sciatica expert and Opeya, Omo Eboyena, or Twasia dear no, the Pedriana, a touch ma, na pains baby, a womb with sissy, ya or to, then I say for 1 to mean 290 minante. Yadiana, a how no, a boa to pem, a boa to ho. A how, me pacho, bra. Na ye mwa na fi sorry gina wonan so sorry free wo kete no so sorry free wo dem na ko wo nnwuma so na kwanto na apeso wutu niam ahodo apeso ye no watumi aba be ye the whole of Ghana expert was sciatica mu ye 21st clinic onya clinic bia watu ni ho asi wo se ne de ya ne se sciatica no tackle eno nti ye expert wo mu ya beni ye ho e wo mu oba laboratory ni scan services ewo honom ya che se ye wo machines ahodo a ye de ebeye wo massage na fi ye de wafa treatment ahodo nyina emu na wo nipadua ne wo honam no asisi ne ho so na fi wasi wo dede mu wanya hoden fi se so wonya hoden a na obetumi akọ adwuma wo hoden a na obetumi execute plans ahodo nyina pese wo execute no mesraw Kumasi ehwa overseas junction near Alpha Radio Obuasi Council Quarters, Court Junction, Accra, Dome Market, Sunyani opposite Teaching Hospital, Kranza, your Honum, Teaching my offer was 0249311311, 0249311311, and I say 0540 311 311 Tagore Herbal Mixture and Capsules, and me do kwakupi mo maswe Tagore Herbal. I say obema no ntumi npeja ntumi mmɔ adwuma watenka wɔ fam wo yɛ ɔbaa wo yɛ bɛrima tenka no ɛwɔ fam infections bi ɛna ɛha wo ɛtete wo ɛno nti nka de n'asefo ɛwɔ wase ntumi mmɔ adwuma nso amesrɛ Tagore Herbal Mixture ɛna mekamfo ɛde ama drugstore ne pharmacy shop ahodoɔ nyinaa no on Sabeka bi from 0243 228 296 0243 228 296 ɛwɔ ɛyɛ hɔnom mebacho siade na ko school so abrechi ni nyina ye express group ena beboa ona fi so saa woni so ade hunu yi atumi abam siade na fi so san ye adwuma wa abrechi scholarship ena wanya na opeso koto aso wa abrechi admission na ope wo ho visa ticketing opeso koto ana okodi holidays wa abrechi Canada, USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Germany, Ahefa and abezo kokodi ujuma me ba for any more express a group T international exams in tuition registration ya IELTS SAT GRE GMAT and a TOEFL ne de keka ka ho nyina no ya beboa no watwero na fi wa pass no watumi akopie mo abrichiri na wakodi ujuma Kumasi wa Asafo Labor runabout ho ne ebutu Sanso and Accra Carnation First Light your honum Tema Community 18 Lashebi Goel filling station and you were close to Lashebi for a home funeral home East Legon a Trinity Theological Seminar Takra Day a market circle opposite Hot and Nesto Fast Food Sunyani a Silver House ya bay a High Court no Tamale ya bay Tamale Teaching Hospital and I feel to be so yawo a court or freya war 0249000448 and a 0555550067 na oni adi enkomo Kingdom Herbal Garlic and Capsules Kingdom Garlic Capsules and Bitters every Kingdom Herbal Center so Kingdom Herbal Center, the Kingdom Garlic Capsules and Bitters said the Bible say wo immune booster was stress releaser, anxiety, arthritis, numbness, hypertension, stroke, heart disease, cholesterol, ne yadia ehawon. Nina Kingdom Garlic Capsules and Bitters and ginseng power capsules and so for sexual weakness, waist pains, mental stress, it produces sufficient physical energy and also for release of semen and the extra power there Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. Tremendous capsules and also na fi a formulate or health no na fi a treaty or vaginal infections ne menstrual disorders and a bad odor bia e wo hodo no to area free her mouth visit Kingdom Herbal Center ni pharmacy ne drugstores ahodo pi na fi kojiji ndro yi na kra ye wo cancer drug lane ho ne butu frey was 0597298855 and 0559761144 Kingdom are now or see no challenger Roman father drew no ababi pi mountains so Roman father drew and I make come for Ade Amount ya chese misro a numbness a stroke a body pains so the original always the best papa no ankasa and the polytank sumo super beware of fraudsters Mr. Polytank no yan request momo ewo online yan request momo ewo online ewo hono enche mabedwa fo ba bedi atenase na fi yawura nkomo no mo fache me ene se ye vim no wo foma dipadua no ayemre kakra anti fache me ewo hono RSY Novigi Studios and everyone will pay say men control say the premier destination for all professional photography no film production. Wama so studios near spacious. ya equip no with top of the line profession equipment and a hon ma yeri edi juma and nti we are filmmaker, we are photographer, we are creative director. And nampo uhia professional film studio. Na fi udia do juma dia RSY no VG Studios and I make come for their mouth. Ya wakra mala mabiase off First Kokroko Street. Iti frey was 0574 715 778 and at 030 3974822. Na fi so wa ko na oni omo adi juma ewa eye honum ti my bigger for our big atlas, I said, medical car, no fatche me. Nipaduana yemre, you know, them no for my monfancheme. Minta ababetanase from the side of the NPP is looking, we were here, picturesque. The atlas here, oh, Hodom sounds like Yahaya. So from the side of the NDC Oka communication team, no, and also dressing in his African print, not the good, no, so a shiny, watch no shiny or good, sadi. And about him, so my foul, Mohan Kasa. Minda, my dear.
Yeah, Nana, Jakona, I'll put what you say.
Nipadiana, no paya, but Yametiase. Bibia, fine, also,
Ja, Penisi, 30 in your chest, so you go so. Na, and then no, you shall see a reward na ya naba. And a reward near me and son, a be kind of, so doom so ba na 1% on fuel levy. Na and me sure so beautiful Wednesday meeting unia na senior man for fu back be cram nam ho na nia benam secretary on the adwuma no you wonya se kan kra the arrested you ha say ade na Ghana waje dum so levy ne me say na o hwe senior NDC ye niema na okoka yes dollar wo fom
di anona ma wo ho nye no
eno ka ho na to so mienu nso no on say yakan mu ha no e true memenda ye na me ma me just oba tan a ofa me seba ankoma irade aduma me ochina yesie no e wotepa ma ban nti very usu fojo
tabe fa ne kranti
usu fojo ne Christian usu fojo nyina no ye ma ya ko china tepa ma ban ye be ba ne abija na makura ma me china re usem se woni ni kunu nyina e she fridge ma me no last year no mo free mti usu fojo family no e die me no na ma areho aka me ne NDC die so asa be ka machi kura
mate kafra why ha mate ya maje ya chowa so bibi na mana so green ama me de aha mache ya musina abom jizei
efidia imudie aseda eni kabia ene betimi de ayede ama oboade bibia e fine de aka ne de eni ntini ya ba akrante ne ma wo se ya ba ne ya ba
babia wo fie so hoje de
babia mi ni de nam dum so se ya ne e kire se wa ba ne papa wo betwa gu no twa gu ya se be sesa de ayede e de asisi wo ma bibia ayede bibia ayefa eti bibia ayeboko mami fa kwanya we so na me chia de Ebo Ashanti Regional Minister eye mia minua pani Dr. Frank Amwako hene baby o no pa bia mami chia ni na machia ye Kinzuba eye KMA boss ono so baby o anopa bia machia no anopa yi ewo dwumadie stronko a odima Asanteman se de be ya Kumase ene Asanteman betimi afa ne nsoma pa ebe efra na machia eye party executives na ene party mayina bibia ye fan eja
okay mate me da CP na me fa kwenya yiso me papa bi a me benya no krom ha behind the scenes na me ne din komo pa retired police officer on so Saturday ye be na adwuma e be na yi enye easy retired RSM Clement Akanji Bazu ye be ye no wo ahwa overseas park me mean the year you know I don't for membra ne ye nko kata ba pay actually cra you know retired RSM Clement papa koda yi na jiwa home e hono but yamra na vi yen hye yon komo twetwe na se tifo se de mi ka hye no won fa nche honamre kakra e wo hono mti vim no so aba fom ana But first of all, and come on, why be the topics Nina we related to and so we expect